So in the previous Instagram posts in this week, I have been talking about how important it is to give a place in our life, in our heart, to that what is in the past. So what I mean by this is, for example, if you are currently in a relationship and the relationship is having difficulties, or if you are looking at a career or a job or organization or a business setup of your own, and you feel that there are some blocks always coming up in whatever you're trying to do, then it is important that we look at what we left behind and with how did we leave it behind, how was the energy of that what we left behind at the point that we left it behind. So if in a previous relationship I ended with bitterness, with anger, then that bitterness, that anger becomes a hook, and it's sort of a part of my energy remains stuck in that previous relationship, and it does not leave me with all the energy that I need to completely invest in my new relationship. It is the same with a business or a career. If, for example, I was in a partnership, and if that ended bitterly, or the business that I was running, if I was cheated, or the job that I was in, I feel that I was unfairly thrown out of that job, then all of these have an effect on what I'm planning to do next career-wise. So a part of my energy remains stuck in that negative experience of the past, and this becomes a hook which drains my energy, which creates an energy leak in my system, so to speak. So I am suggesting a very simple process that you can do, which is really helpful for you to gather all your energies from all those previous experiences, be it relationship experiences, be it related to your professional life, so that you can gather your energy from all those places in a good way, and so that you're fully present in the new space, in the new relationship, or in your new venture. So there is, and in fact I did this last week, and I made a note of all the different professions that I had been in till I came into family constellation, and I counted 9 different professions that I had, 9 different professions I had been in before I came to constellation work finally, which I made my own. And it was amazing the amount of learning that I had from each of those as I looked back on each of those professions and occupations that I had experienced in the past 30 plus years of my life. And also when I could give it a place in me, there was a feeling of release of energy, and as if something had settled in me. So I would suggest try it out. So what is the process? So whether you're working with a relationship, so make a note of every relationship that you've been in, a significant relationship. And of course now we are talking about partner relationships. So every partner relationship that has been significant in your life that pops up in your head, and you can number it chronologically as relationship number 1, relationship number 2, relationship number 3, or with profession it can be the first profession, the second, the third, the fourth. And after you have done that, what you can do is you can now look at that profession, at that relationship or whatever you're working with, look at it, and as you look at it, become aware of what do you still feel about it. Is there something still there which remains incomplete? Maybe something that didn't go right, or something that was beautiful. It does not have to be negative. It can also be something that you received which was beautiful. And so become aware of that. And then you need to acknowledge that relationship or that work as you were my first relationship, or you were my first profession. And the next sentence that you will say is, from you I learned. And then what is it that you learned? Maybe you learned something very positive, or maybe you also had a negative learning. Maybe you learned that you shouldn't easily trust people, and then that has helped you in your life as you move forward, or then maybe it is time to let it go and now really start trusting people, because that is what you need to move into the new space that you want to go into. So you were my first relationship, you were my first profession, you were my first job, and from you I learned, and then state whatever it is that you learned. And then you ended by saying, and whatever I do today, I do it because of you. And it's a really simple process, but it's very powerful and very effective. So try it, guys. Write down chronologically all the professions or the relationships, and then your sentence is, you are my first whatever, and from you I learned, you're learning, and really allow that to settle in you. And then everything I do today, I do it because of you. And then go to the second one, you are my second relationship or profession or job, and from you I learned, and then, and everything I do today, I do because of you. And just go through all of them till you reach the end, and there will be a beautiful sense of peace, of settling, and it will sort of clear up the energy and bring back everything that you need to enable you to move on to where you need to go next. So try it out, and I would love it for you to give me some feedback, in the comments, or just send me some feedback on my Instagram messaging. Thank you, and enjoy yourself doing this process.